Hi everyone, it's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about how to make money online. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So the first way to make money online is with website affiliates. A super easy one you can get started with is Amazon. Amazon has a great affiliate program and everybody uses Amazon. Especially right now with the coronavirus, people are using Amazon just to buy their basic needs. So what I would recommend doing is creating a list of things such as paper towels, toilet paper, soap, shampoo, just your simple everyday uses, and I would post them all over my social media so I could hopefully earn some affiliate money. Kit.co is a great way to build a list of your affiliate items. I know Amazon is on there and there's lots of other companies on there too that you can build an affiliate list and then they give you your own link right there to spit out and give to other people. The second way to make money online is Fiverr. Fiverr is an awesome website that I love using for my content. I use it for things such as flyers and news articles. I even have had people edit my videos on there before. So it's really simple to become a seller on Fiverr. You just have to sign up and become a freelancer. The more reviews you have, then the better ranked you are and the more likely you are to get more sales. But you never really know what talent you have until you try something. So who knows, maybe you're good at graphic design, maybe you're good at editing videos, maybe you're good at creating copywriting. You can do a lot on Fiverr, even data research as well. If you're gonna get into Fiverr and you want to do the graphic design stuff, I highly recommend getting into Adobe Photoshop or Canva, testing, seeing if you're good at it before you take somebody's money and try and create some content for them. Personally, I would pay someone right now between $20 and $40 to edit my videos just because I don't really like doing it. I'm not that good at it. But right now I don't have the cash flow coming in from the channel, so I wouldn't pay a ton of money, but if someone could do a better job than I'm doing, I'd be willing to pay them a small amount. The third way to make money online is kind of a big one, and it's starting a YouTube channel. So making money on YouTube is not the easiest thing to do. I feel like it's something everybody kind of wants to do right now. It's the happening thing. I was talking to someone the other day who said there was an article that came out that said 75% of kids in elementary school are aspiring to be a YouTuber. Kind of interesting. So starting a YouTube channel takes a lot of time and effort and consistency. And for most people, it's just getting over the fear of putting themselves out there. But personally, once I started my YouTube channel, I really started having fun with it and just wanted to get better and keep growing and eventually provide a ton of value for people to come back to years from now even. But my biggest advice for starting a YouTube channel is if you're going to do it, make sure it's about something that you enjoy so you don't dread having to create the content. So the fourth way to make money online is something I've never done, but I've had friends who have done it and have had success and also lost some money, and that is buying and selling domain names. So you take a risk when you buy the domain name because you never know if someone's going to purchase it from you. However, if you're clever and creative with your names, you never know who's going to buy it from you. My advice would be think of domain names you would actually buy yourself. So the cool thing about this is once you buy domains, there's sites out there that will help you sell them, such as NamePros or Bido.com, I believe. So there's channels out there that actually do help you try and succeed in this field. So the fifth way to make money online is by selling products. You know, Shopify and Etsy are super easy to get into these days. It's a very low barrier entry. A lot of people are doing it, but it can be really profitable if you have a catchy item or you have something cool that you created or have learned to buy cheap and can resell. This does take a lot of time, and I know people who have succeeded in this, but I also know I've tried it and was not successful at it. Really what it is just having a catchy item that everybody is interested in, creating a good video to get people interested in the item. The best advice I have for selling a product online is build an email list as quick as you can, because once you know who your warm leads are, you can turn them into hot leads, and you want those leads to turn into repeat business over and over and over again. And when you can establish that type of clientele, you can build a big business, which can make you a lot of money. The sixth way, and my favorite way to make money online, is to publish a Kindle ebook. I have not done this yet, but it's something I'm very intrigued by because basically all you have to do is just write about something that you're passionate about. It doesn't have to be really long, maybe just 50 to 60 pages. You can sell it for anywhere from $1.50 to $7, a cheap price because you're not really credible but maybe you're writing about something that people are super interested in. I guarantee if it's something you're interested in, there's tons of other people out there who are interested in it as well. So for example, I used to play softball, and I could easily write a good 50 to 60 page book about drills you can do to become a better player or be a better coach. And I know there's tons of other people out there who are working at sports and need help with coming up with drills and how to relay them to the kids they're coaching. This really gives you a chance to be creative and create something that you're passionate about, which you can't really have a bad time when you're doing something that you enjoy. So that's why this is my favorite. And the really cool thing about Amazon is when you self-publish an ebook, they let you keep 70% of the sales revenue, which is a really huge amount. When you look at publishers, you really only keep about 7 to 10% of your earnings if you were to publish a big book with a publisher. So the seventh and final way is tough, but it's worth it if you can master it, and that is online trading. There are tons of people out there who have made a ton of money doing this and tons who have lost more than they have. It is definitely not easy, and I'm sure right now there's not a lot of people who want to do this because of the volatility in the market. But if you can study up on it, find a strategy that works for you, it can be fun, it can be a little stressful, but you can make money. I recommend if you're getting started looking into Robinhood, or I personally use TD Ameritrade, which has switched over to the Thinkorswim platform. And the Thinkorswim platform is super helpful because it's paper trading, which means it's not live trading, so you're actually not using money. It's just fake money, which is a great way to get started, test it out, see if you have the emotional willpower to become a trader or not. So those are the 7 ways I came up with how you can make money online. I'd love to hear from you guys and see how you're making money online. And thanks again for watching. Hope to see you soon.